I got a real bad toothache. Two of them, as a matter of fact. And this guy referred me to this dentist to go to. And I went to where the dentist was at. Made it through the whole night, my mouth throbbing. Some people say that a toothache is equivalent to giving birth to a child for a woman. Now, I know a lot of women might want to have an argument or debate or confusion about that, but that's not where I want this hiccup conversation to go. Two of them, throbbing like crazy. I mean, pulsating like somebody's playing a ukulele or a violin or something in my mouth, and like thunder and lightning striking and playing a rhythm, almost some kind of Dr. Dre beat or organized noise or something. And I swear one night I just laid down long enough and almost timed the rhythms and almost memorized the patterns of the pain as it struck through. But anyway, so I was desperate, needless to say. No other dentist office was open. Nothing was available. Sunday, everything is pretty much shut down, but I can't take it. I can't go another day like this. So this guy, referred me, gave me some information. So I went to this dentist's office. When you're in that state of mind, you can be out of it a little bit loosey-goosey or whatever. And it's a problem. So I kind of wobbled my way into the office. I think this might have contributed to when I was coaching, if I had vertigo or not. But I wobbled myself into the office. And I see this guy who's a dentist. And I notice there's not a whole lot of activity around here. As a matter of fact, this place probably has not been reviewed by the health department at all. So I'm in pain like crazy. So I'm thinking, what am I going to do? Let me let this guy go ahead and see what's the deal. So we get ready to walk to the back. And before I got ready to get into the chair, I gave him a compliment because I think it's better to try and, I'm very charismatic. So I thought it was better to try and sharpen him up by giving him a compliment instead of allowing him to go to work on my mouth. And I was like, Doc, man, I appreciate you getting ready to take these 2 teeth out for me. They're driving me crazy. Even though I looked and just noticed like wood and stuff around and flies and things, I didn't really think that he was going to be able to be successful because I was hurting so bad. And I didn't think making it to Monday was really an option. So I'm stuck at this point. But here's what changed for me. When I gave that compliment and he smiled, and I noticed he didn't have no teeth. So I jumped up and got the hell out of there because I am not about to get my teeth yanked by no snag-a-tooth dentist.